Hey YouTube, this is Guitar Hero MS 61997, and I'm going to be teaching you the Halloween theme song. Okay, the Halloween theme song is very easy to learn. And this is also the easiest way possible. If you look it up on alternate guitar tabs, there's like a lot of ways and a lot of frets to press. This is the easiest way. For the first, you need to put your finger on the E minor string, 7th fret, and then strum once, and then take your finger off, and then do 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then do 7. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 7. And then instead of doing the other 3 this time, you're gonna put your finger on the 8th fret and do this. So if you do it good, it'll come out like this. And then you want to do that a few times, and then what you want to do is, once you do that a few times, if you listen to the song, you'll hear that it changes. Put your finger on the 5 fret, still E minor, strum once. That's all there is to it. Then you just keep repeating. You might want to start off slow so you can get the hang of it. Start off slow.